Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to hide your status on WhatsApp on an Android device? Go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Tap on Account. This will open your account settings page. Tap on Privacy. Tap on Status. This option will show your current settings for status privacy. Tapping on it will give you the option to change your setting. Select your status audience from the menu. You have three options: My Contacts Expect, or Only Share With. To hide your status updates from everyone, select Only Share With option and do not select any contacts in the next screen. Now, tap on the check mark in the lower right corner of your screen to update your settings. This is how you can hide your status on WhatsApp on an Android device.